Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Many of you have been watching me create videos on this new camera. This is the Xtra Edge Pro. I've used it for a number of different projects, including live streaming, action adventures, and you name it. Now, one of the things that I did want to be able to do is to connect microphones and lights to this camera when I'm out blogging. The cage that comes with it is a really nice cage, but it is a plastic cage. And there's no cold shoe on this guy. So a brand reached out to me recently and they sent me one of their cages, which we're going to take a look at right now. And we'll figure out if this is going to be a great option for this camera. So let's go ahead and get into the box and see what we get. All right, guys. So in the box, as you can see, everything is very well packaged. Let's pull everything out. You get a little warranty card that comes with it, so you may want to take a look at that. A little packaging here. All right, so here's the actual cage. All right, so we get a number of accessories. We're going to go over those in just a second, the cage itself. So let's take a look at some of the accessories that come with it. You actually get a 1/4-20 with a standard 2-prong GoPro mount styled accessory here, which is really nice. This is plastic, but it comes with it. All right, so let's take a look at the other accessory that is sent out, and that is this little rubberized lens cap that you guys see here. Really nice. And of course, you're going to get your thumb screw that comes with it. All right, so let's take a look at the cage itself. As you guys can see, this is an all metal cage. You have a 1/4-20 here with the mounting holes as well for security. The metal goes all the way around. There's no plastic parts on the exterior. You have a spring-loaded button. As you guys can see here, you have a little lever switch here that you press to open. Inside, we have this rubberized padding that's going to be, for securing the camera inside of it and also protecting it from any metal abrasions. There's another rubberized piece up here at the top. I don't know if you guys can see that right up here where the button is. It does have a cold shoe on this guy as well. That's what I'm looking for. We have a cutout here for our speaker. All of the other openings are easily accessible. So let's throw the camera in and see exactly what it looks like. All right, so simply enough, all we have to do is slide this guy in just like so. Fits like a glove, snap it closed, and you're pretty much good to go. So you still have access to your USB-C input over here. You still have access to your power button. Your shutter button now has this little, really nice little button on here. You have a 1/4-20 on this side as well. And as you see, you can quickly, shuffle through all of your different settings. Really easy. The button is very responsive.
Photo, video, subject tracking, slow motion.
Really easy to use. I love that about this. So the other thing that I'm concerned about was, when it comes to the standard magnetic mount, is this still going to work perfectly with this? I can feel the magnet already pulling. All right, no problem. That works perfectly as well. And of course, for our side mount, all right, as you guys can see, the side mount works just as easily as well. So you're not losing anything. If anything, you're gaining, because you're gaining that extra bit of security with this frame and the ability to now mount lights or something like that. So if your goal is to be able to add these little small lights on here with a cold shoe mount, that's going to work out really easily. And it's not going to, depending on the size of the light, it could be, exactly the size that you're looking for. But in most cases, I want to be able to add a receiver for a microphone or something like that. So I think that's going to work out well as well. So I am really happy with the construction of this cage. So let me show you guys this is a comparison between the two. So you guys can see there's not much of a difference as far as the size goes. Now there is a difference in the weight, I admit that, but you're talking about plastic versus aluminum. But for the most part, I am very happy with this cage. So if you guys are looking for somewhat of a rugged cage to be able to mount your camera in a variety of different, orientations and add other accessories to it, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.